It was $10.50, which is a little bit expensive, but it's Reebok, bitch. Black and white always mixes well together. And it fucking looked good on. Okay, guys, we're at Value Village by Polo. We're just gonna go inside and check it out because it's on the way home. Yeah, let's go. Okay, a new bag. This one. It's $39.99, but it's like fabric, and there's way too much wear on it. So that's a no off the bat. This is fuzzy as fuck, so no to that either. Let's see if they have any Tiffany or Pandora. Oh, those are cute. If that was like real diamonds. Let's look at the bags, the other bags.
$30 for a purse.
I know, it's ridiculous. I know.
Big shops.
This is kind of cute, like $30. Let me see. It's leather. I see a fake Gucci off the bat right here. $30 for a fake Gucci. Okay. Okay there. This is not even like a good fake Gucci. It's like a bad fake one. I see nothing. I see nothing. Nothing, nothing. All they have is crap. I don't like it like that. They've got nothing. I don't like it like that. They all have crap, crap. All of it is crap. Okay. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Can't even see my face because there's a hat over there. I like it, like that. 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 See, my bag is moving. My bag is moving. I'm wearing that green jacket because I feel fabulous, because I am fabulous, and you're all fabulous too. They're kind of cute. Under Armour for like $8. They usually overprice the shit out of this. And then it's like a 2XL. Oh, there's a stain right there, but we might be able to wash that out. Yes, we're so getting it. That's a cute color too. Like for working out and shit. Working out and shit. Let's have a $2 off coupon. What? I'm like obsessed with clothes. Oh my God, God forbid I lose more weight and I become a skanky hoe. And dress all scandalous and skankified. Oh, this is cute too. A Via? No. We're streaming away from black unless it's tank tops. Okay. Okay. Okay? Okay. La, la, la. Hey. Goodbye. Let's look for some cute shit. Let's look for... Oh, no. But $4? Oh, no, it's all, like, faded. And I'm not really into that Aztecian pattern. No, it's all large over here. All large. What is this, Lulu? Why is it $20? Is this Lulu? Are you Lululemon? Why are you $20? Why is that guy looking at me weird? It is Lulu, that's why. Oh, it's kind of cute. And it's brown. And it's like large. What size is this? It's a cute Lulu top, eh? It's like good for fall. Okay. I might have to get it because I like the way it looks and it has a hood. Cuteness personified. No pilling. Oh, there's a Lulu right there. Let's see what size it is. I see a size tag, but it looks to be like a large, like maybe like a 10, maybe like a 12. Yeah, I think that it's like a 12 actually. I just think it's cute. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's a little dark though. I don't know. I love that it has the thumbs in it too. I just need to lose like maybe like 30 pounds and this would probably fit me. I'm guessing like, I like the color. It's not faded like the way it's coming off on camera. It's really cute. And there's like almost like no wear on it. And the arms are long. What would I wear this with though? Black tights? Leggings? I don't know. I should stop buying Lulu because it never sells well for me. But I was thinking of keeping it for myself, you know? It's actually not that far from this size, and this is like a double XL. So... I don't know. A bitch gets money in her account and she goes all buck wild shopping like she owns shit. Oh, that's kind of cute. Oh, Under Armour. That's kind of cute. $8.49 though? No, too much. Need some good tank tops. Oh, that's a cute tank top. Is it? $5? What size is this? What brand is this? I don't know, but it's really, really like loosey. It is brand new. But I don't like the style, and it's like $10. Screw you. You pay no $10 for used shit. Well, it's new, but you know what I mean. Exertion. Why are their t-shirts like $10? Like, that's kind of stupid. This is kind of cute. Let's try this on. Reebok. Maybe. We are the champions. I like it like that. What is this? Exertion. $10. Champion. $8. Why are you so expensive? I do not know. You should be lowering your prices. I swear, if I ever do a collab with like Value Village, they're gonna have to like thingy. Abide by my rules, okay? Oh, that's kind of cute. 4X, but it's kind of big, but we'll try it on anyway. 4X. I keep liking to go with like really loose things still, but oh well, we're gonna try these on. Everybody wants to see my doggies. Wishbone, Wishbone, Wishbone. She's a corgi and a canine. Canine. What's those canines called? German Shepherd mix. Hallie is a Shih Tzu poodle, and they're crazy. Well, she's crazy, as most guys are. Boys and males are crazy. Hey everybody, it's Miss Philly. We are doing a haul today of the things that we purchased from the previous video, which was our vlogging, thrifting video, because that is all we do on this channel. Vlog and thrift and shop and deals and hot guys and all that. So we got a bunch of bags, so it's going to be exciting. It'll be exciting. I promise you it's exciting, okay? Okay, so I guess we'll go over the clothing that we purchased first. Where are you clothing? Okay, I got a couple of cool things. I got this tank top from Reebok. I thought it was cool. It was $10.50, which is a little bit expensive, but it's Reebok, bitch. And it's a cute, like, zebra-ish color. It'll match my Yeezys that are zebra Yeezys, okay? But look at that. Isn't that cute? And it's like the white and black. I can still rock the black, but it's primarily white. You know, it's like a mulatto kind of mixed race shirt. But I love it, you know. Black and white always mixes well together. And it fucking looked good on. We got this Under Armour, kind of like a foam green kind of shirt. Loved it. Felt like a sausage wearing it, but it was cute. Lose a little bit of weight, it'll be fine. This one was $8. Under Armour for $8 at Value Village. Like, they usually up price and like markup. Under Armour, but this one was freaking reasonably priced. Loved it, and it also has the thumbs, which I like. There's one little like stain on it, but I mean, like, we can get that out probably in the wash, and regardless, it's not that noticeable anyway. So freaking. Oh, and I got $2 off of everything. I had a 30% off coupon, but I did not want to utilize that because we are saving that for reselling, okay? Pop that collar. But I like this too. Everything is to keep for myself. Then this was a hoochie de resistance, as you can see from like here. Me being a hoochie in the dressing room. But I got this Lululemon. I can fit it. I just can't zip it up because I think this is like a 10 or a 12. So this would be like an extra large in Lulu regular size. So this was $20, which I thought was reasonable because Lulu hoodies are very expensive, probably like in the $100 range. So we'll just take $2 off of this. So I basically paid like $17.99 plus tax for this. Love it. It's cute and perfect for like fall, you know. If I wear this with like a white tank with my boobs exposed, you know, boobs, and then like leggings will be cute as fuck. But yeah, and it has the hood and it's in like perfect condition. Like, there's no wear on it whatsoever. So freaking $17.99 for Lululemon hoodie. Deal of a dick. So the two bags that we bought were from the Pembina location. We purchased this Danier leather bag. This had a long strap with it, but I actually think a long strap doesn't go with it. But there was a long strap with it yesterday, because you guys saw it in that vlog. I think someone took it and put it on the bigger one, whatever. And plus I like the interior of this one more than the bigger one. Like this one has just a better, nicer interior. I think this is like a coral color, which is really cute. I mean, you can attach a strap to it, but I don't know. Maybe it did come with a strap. But there's like no hook on it to show that it comes with a strap. Usually it has like a hook over here or like inside, but there's none. So I don't know what was going on with that. Anyway, regardless, it doesn't have a strap now, but it's still a cute bag. Top handle. I do prefer top handle bags anywhere. Anyway, it's cute. I like it. It's cute. And they marked it down to 30. What? Oh yeah, $34.99. It used to be $39.99, but I had 30% off, so that's good. And it's like in perfect condition. It's a beautiful bag. It's very like Alma Louis Vuitton shape. So pop in. So loving this bag. And the last bag that we purchased was this Michael Kors bag. This was a good score. This was $34.99. Was that $34.99? No, $39.99. Yeah. Yeah. Minus 30% off. It doesn't have the crossbody strap, but that's okay because I think I might have a black crossbody strap. It might even be Michael Kors. I'm not even sure. I love the side zipper detail. That's really cute. Yeah. And it's leather, factory outlet, but it's still a really good bag. For like frickin' $35, you can't go wrong with a Michael Kors leather bag. But yeah, is there cracking on the glazing? Nope, there is not. Good, good, good. Maybe a little bit on this glazing, but it's not the leather, it's the glazing, which is fine. Probably going to resell this. Probably get maybe like $60 for it. So yeah, that's all that we got today. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it for you. If you enjoy these videos, please give please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It shows that you support this channel. And leave a comment below. Tell me which one was your favorite piece of all the things that we got because I would love to know what you guys think based on my fashion style. Is Miss Philly fashionable? Is Miss Philly a hot mess? Let me know below because we want to know that, okay? Anyway, guys, I love you. Stay productive, stay positive, stay progressive, and love yourself. I just want you guys to live the best life that you can, okay? Just live the best life that you can. Try until you succeed. All that good stuff, okay? Because you are beautiful. People care about you. And I care about you.